Hey everyone, I'm Rashmi and you're watching Molds and Art Supplies and Handmade Love by Rashmi. So I'm here today to talk about an online candle making course that I'm launching. Now this course is going to help you start your own small business. How, if you may ask? I'm going to send you everything at your doorsteps. That includes the molds, the fragrances, all the containers, waxes, colors, everything that you will need to start your business with minimal investment is going to be sorted. You will be learning everything online with me in my introductory live class and then a series of pre-recorded tutorials for each of the candles. Now, sounds interesting? And apart from this, you will also be a part of a support group where I will share my tips and tricks on making candles and booking bulk orders, because we have been doing it since years and I want you to start it right now because it's the most growing small business right now in the country, along with being the lowest investment that you will need. So hurry up and register for this course. So if you have any queries, drop it in the comments and I will see you in the comment section, or maybe I'll make up a next video. Here I will also insert the things that you will be getting in the workshop at the end, so you get a proper idea. Plus there will be a link in the description that will take you to my website and वहाँ पे आप shop कर सकते हो. Course हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में होगा, so comfortably आप understand कर पाओगे. So there is no language barrier, and also if you want it in any other language, let me know. I can help you with the subtitles for the same. And that's it from my side. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना अगर नए हो यहाँ पे तो, और सच इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ के लिए फॉलो कर लेना.